Hi, Steve here from Integral Fire Protection. Today I'll be running through a few helpful tips on how to use a fire blanket. Fire blankets are most commonly found in commercial kitchens or areas where there is a risk of small spot fires. For your safety, we have put together a step-by-step guide on how to use a fire blanket in the event of an emergency. Before using the fire blanket, and if safe to do so, try to starve the fire of fuel by turning off the cooking stove or appliance that has caused the fire to ignite. Grab the two tabs of the fire blanket and pull down to remove the blanket from its pouch. Hold the fire blanket with your arms extended outwards and be sure to keep them taut. Face the fire and beware of tripping hazards. Slowly and cautiously approach the fire or burning item. Lay the fire blanket over the fire or burning item and release the tabs so that the blanket falls over the top, starving the fire or burning item of oxygen. If you were unable to turn off the cooking stove or appliance prior to fighting the fire, you should do so now. Allow the fire and the surrounding area to cool. Keep in mind that you should allow up to 30 minutes prior to removing the fire blanket. When it is time to do so, remove the fire blanket slowly in a down and away motion. A fire blanket can only be used once. It is important to replace your fire blanket after use. Integral Fire Protection are specialists in the supply, install, service and maintenance of fire protection equipment. We also offer group training and free educational information for your benefit. If you have any questions or to find out more, please contact us on 08 9467 7319. And remember, take care, because we care.